iṣẹ́ táwọn sí Mohbad Nigeria Limited tí ṣiṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ń kó àwọn ìpara àwọn ohun tá a fi ń fọ nínú àwọn ohun èlò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń kó jáde níbi tí àwọn àgbọ̀ yìí òun ní ilé iṣẹ́ ìmúgbà wọ́n ti máa gba àmì ẹ̀yẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀kan lára àwọn ilé iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n dáńgájíá láti lè fi àwọn ohun jáde lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà eléyìí tí àjọ tó ń rí sí ìlú àwọn ohun tí wọ́n máa fún wọn ní àmì ẹ̀yẹ lónìí níbi tí a ti wà lónìí àwọn yóò ti máa gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi àmì ẹ̀yẹ ní ibi tí àwọn ọmọ ní Mohbad Nigeria omidan yín káàdì à ń padà bọ̀ a máa mú àwọn àlejò wa wá sí ojú òbí lọ́lọ́kọ̀ mílíọ̀nù ọ̀rọ̀ láti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn àwọn tí wọ́n ti lo àwọn ohun èlò tí ó jáde láti ilé iṣẹ́ Mohbad yìí àti àwọn tí wọ́n bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ohun èlò tó jáde láti ilé iṣẹ́ Mohbad ẹ wò ó ẹ má lè bí ní apàdà láìpẹ́.
Inú mi dùn púpọ̀ o, I'm very very happy. Inú mi dùn gan-an ni, I can't quantify it, I'm happy.
It's all over you ma.
Yes ma.
Ẹ bá mi dákọ̀ yín fáwọn tó wà nílé àti ìrèyàn tẹ jẹ́ ma.
Orúkọ mi ni Alhaja Muibat Ọláìtún Babalọlá. Èmi ni ìyàwó chairman Mohbad Nigeria Limited.
Mọ́mì, ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí ná. Lóòótọ́ yìí lẹ̀ ń pèsè gbóhùn tó ń jáde láti iléeṣẹ́ Mohbad. Àmọ́ ìwo lẹ fẹ́ràn jù nínú àwọn product iléeṣẹ́ Mohbad?
Kò sí èyí tí mi fẹ́ràn jù. Kò sí èyí tí ò wà panu ẹ̀. None. I can't even single out one. All is best. They are the best. All the products.
Lónìí iléeṣẹ́ Mohbad wọ́n gba àmì ẹ̀yẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí iléeṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ti lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ tí wọ́n dángájíá nínú ká pèsè ojúlówó ohun èlò lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ká tún wá kó o lọ síta fáwọn aráàlú òkè òkun. Àwọn wo gangan lè fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ lónìí mà?
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba tó jẹ́ kí ọjọ́ òní ó jẹ́ ṣíṣe Ọlọ́run tó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kí iléeṣẹ́ náà bí eré bí àwàdà níjọ́ náà lọ́hùn ta ni ó yẹ káwọn náà máa ṣe kìnnìkan ká máa ṣe. Why don't we go into oil? He said no, I won't go into oil. Okay, let's go into dishwashers and other things. And so we thank God for bringing it to a success. Then adúpẹ́ lórí gbogbo àwọn family ọmọ ni àwọn tó máa wá ṣiṣẹ́ gan pẹ́ wọn lópin sí wọn àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ they are all wonderful people. We thank them all.
Mọ́mì, kí wá ní ohun tí ẹni sọ sí àwọn mọ́mì tó wò wá lé àti àwa sisi lórí àwọn ohun tó ń ti iléeṣẹ́ Mohbad Nigeria Limited jáde?
Gbogbo àwọn mọ́mì tó ń wò wá lé mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé Mohbad Nigeria Limited gbogbo nǹkan tó ń jáde ń bẹ̀ ló wà satisfied.
I'm glad to be here today. In St. Albany, we have a good factory that can meet international standard. We're happy we're going to employ a lot of our people in other states and going to pay us a lot of tax. My boss, I remember that I protect this family. I pray that this country will go from growth to glory to exportation of their business.
Bob, madam.
Okay. This is the second on the roll. This is ISO 14001-2015. Now, this simply states that for every operations of an organization, there are tendencies that will impact the environment. Now, the aspects and impacts that an organization portrays to the environment is very key and important that is put to check.
All right, but I'd like to ask a few questions, or just a question about this certification that was given to Mohbad Nigeria Limited. What are the criteria? What qualities did you see in them that made them deserve this?
We have a standard requirement, that's the Nigerian Industrial Standards requirement, that every company that wants to produce in Nigeria, their products must comply to the requirements of the Nigerian Industrial Standards. In the case of Mohbad, for the 9 products that have been certified today, their products have fully complied to the requirements. These products have been tested in various laboratories, not just one. We try as much as possible to do minimum of 3 laboratories tests, both the in-house lab, third-party lab, and then Sun Laboratory, so that we can validate the results. Now, in validating their results, they were able to meet up with the standard requirements for those products, and that's why they've been certified today.
Okay, So they've been able to meet up with all the criteria.
Yes.
For this certificate.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For us on red carpet.
Thank
and
you.
We don't know if you understand Yoruba a little. It would
No.
be nice for you to help us just say 1 or 2 words in Yoruba.
1 or 2 words in Yoruba.
Yes.
Ekaro. Olówó mi.
You've been in Kwara for how long, ma?
2 years now.
2 years. And
Yes.
how do you see Kwara State? How do you see Ilorin?
A beautiful state that the people are willing. You see that eagerness in the manufacturers to comply. They work with us. They are ready to collaborate with us. There are just a few that are not doing what they are supposed to do, but we do not give up on them. We still follow them up. We encourage them because we are here to facilitate trade in Nigeria.
Okay.
Thank
All right,
you.
but before you go, your passing words for Mubab, the management and staff of Mubab Nigeria Limited. What would you have to say?
Is that they keep doing that thing which made them to get this certificate. They should not relent. They should strive harder and be even more creative so that the more products they bring in, the more people that will be employed in Nigeria.
Right. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you.
Gani, thanks so much.
Ẹ bá mi dákọ̀ yín fáwọn ará ilé àti ẹni tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ gan.
Orúkọ mi ni Mr. Babalola Muideen Oyeyemi.
Aláṣẹ ilé-iṣẹ́.
Aláṣẹ ilé-iṣẹ́ Mubab Nigerian Limited.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé yín la torí yín wà mí báyìí lónìí sá.
Lágbára Ọlọ́run torí Mubab Nigerian Limited ni gbogbo yín fi wà ń bí lẹ́nu.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Dádì ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ béèrè báyìí kí ló fa orúkọ Mubab?
Mubab, there is nothing special about Mubab, ju combination of names. My names and some of my children and my family name.
Your wife's name too.
When I say family, family includes
Daddy ẹ sọ yẹn kọ́ lè mọ̀ pé ti níyàwó nílé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo ti níyàwó nílé.
Torí àwa tá a ṣe tán. Daddy nínú ọ̀pọ̀ ní nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe ní Mubab. A rí i pé púpọ̀ nílẹ̀ ló jẹ́ àwọn ohun èlò obìnrin. Kí ló tó fi jẹ́ pé àwọn èlò obìnrin ní Mubab ni wọ́n dá lé lórí?
Ẹni tó o bá fi tóbìnrin ṣe problem wà nìyẹn. So as mo pẹ́ yín obìnrin náà lẹ́ ń consume jù. And the population of women compared to men. I'm not trying to do this thing, but the population is encouraging. So that's why we venture into that business.
So how far ni Mubab ti lọ báyìí? Ó ti tó ọdún mélòó tẹ́ ti wà nídìí iṣẹ́ Mubab Nigeria?
We are 8 years last October. October 2019, we are 8 years old.
Lẹ́ni iléeṣẹ́ Mubab fẹ́ gba àmì ẹ̀yẹ nípa iléeṣẹ́ tí ó dángájíá nínú ká pèsè ohun èlò lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà sà. Báwo nínú yín ṣe dùn tó?
Today is one of my happiest days. It's Uganda has been long for a very long time. Setting up a company is not the problem, but maintaining standards that is world class. That has been our aim, and that is why we venture into this. This certification, we started this some 2 years ago in an attempt to make sure that we position ourselves to be one of the foremost cosmetics company in Nigeria. To the glory of God today, this is what we are celebrating. So we thank God for everything.
Daddy, ṣé ní ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ fún àwọn ará ilé nípa àwọn ohun tó ń jáde láti iléeṣẹ́ Mubab Nigeria Limited?
The only thing we can say for the achievement we had today and the certification we have today is a testament and confirmation of the quality of our product by international organization. And some of our customers all over the country who have used it, they can also testify. This certification is to assure them that we have gotten to a pedestal in standardization that we don't want to. We have a standard that we cannot go below now. So they should await better products in the future.
I also have a secret to confess. When I got here, there is this one product that it's my favorite. I said, wow! So this is the product here, and that is your conditioner and shampoo.
We thank God for everything. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
God bless. Thanks.
Okay, so we'd like to...
So à ń kí gbogbo àwọn aráalé pé wọ́n kú ìsinmi òní àti kú àbáṣe òní.
Ẹ bá ọ̀dọ́ ọkọ̀ yín fáwọn tó ń wà nílé mà.
Èmi ni Madam Khadijat Banwo.
Mọ́mì, ẹ bá mi sọ pé èèyàn tó jẹ́ iṣẹ́ wo lẹ́ ń ṣe?
Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní Polar Petrochemical Limited, which is more or less like a sister company to Mubab company.
Mubab wọ́n fẹ́ gba àmì ẹ̀yẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí iléeṣẹ́ tí wọ́n dángájíá láti pèsè àwọn ohun èlò jáde lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. Nínú àwọn product tí wọ́n ń ṣe lónìrànràn, mọ́mì ìwọ lẹ fẹ́ràn jù ní àwọn product tó ń jáde láti iléeṣẹ́ Mubab?
Kò sí product Mubab kankan tí ò dáa, kò sì sí èyí tí ò yẹ ká máa lò, so gbogbo ẹ̀ náà la fẹ́ràn, la nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí.
Ẹ bá mi sọ fún àwọn aráalé ìdí tí ẹ ṣe lérò pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti ń lo àwọn ohun èlò Mubab, ìdí tí àwọn aráalé náà gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe máa bá wa lo ohun èlò tó ń jáde nílé iṣẹ́ Mubab.
Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ máa lo ohun èlò tó ń jáde nílé iṣẹ́ Mubab lẹ́yìn pé kò wọ́n, ó tún dáa, ó sì lálòpẹ́.
Ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ mọ́mì wa.
Ẹ ṣé wọn dúpẹ́.
Mọ́mì tiwa rèé, ìyá tiwa ni mọ́mì ẹ̀rà mà. Yes ma. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ dákun, orí oúnjẹ tèmi ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́ran méjì ń bẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Ìyá lè wá fi mọ̀ pé àwa la lòdè. Mọ́mì ẹ jẹ́ n kọ́kọ́ béèrè kẹ́ bá mi dákọ̀ ifá àwọn tó ń wà ní.
Orúkọ mi ni Alájà Bọ́lá Odúwọlé Bọ́lá Tító Abibat.
Mọ́mì báwo lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí iléeṣẹ́ Mubab Nigeria Limited?
Mo jẹ́ kan nínú àwọn àbúrò olùdásílẹ̀ iléeṣẹ́ náà.
Oríṣiríṣi
ẹni tí wọ́n bí tẹ̀lé directly.
Mo sọ pé àrà lòdè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n tí mò ń sọ sí. Mọ́mì ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ohun èlò ló ń ti iléeṣẹ́ Mubab jáde. Èwo lẹ tí ẹ fẹ́ràn jù nínú àwọn ohun èlò?
Mi ti ẹ̀ ní kankan tí mi fẹ́ràn. Gbogbo ẹ̀ látòkè délẹ̀ kò sẹ́yìn tí kò dáa. Látòkè ṣé èyí tí wọ́n fi ń fọ aṣọ ti washing machine liquid ni àbí air freshener ni àbí liquid wash àbí visage toilet cleaner, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ àrà.
Màá wá ṣèdánwò fún yín mọ́mì. Tán bá wá ní pé nǹkan mẹ́ta Mubab ní ó yá ẹ mú nǹkan mẹ́ta ẹ wá fún mi bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe dúró sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yín pé bá ń fọ́ọ̀mù ẹ̀ ní nǹkan mẹ́ta náà àwọn ohun tó ń jáde nílé iṣẹ́ wa kí lè máa fún mi mọ́mì?
Màá fún ẹ ní liquid wash àkọ́kọ́ náà torí mo mọ̀ pé tó bá lò kọ́sítọ́mà tá a máa tara ẹ̀ ní kò ní ló ń kà. Màá tún wá fún ẹ ní air freshener.
Ilé a máa ta sánsán.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ilé a máa ta sánsán, then scoring powder wa máa fi gbogbo tiles
gbogbo
pot.
Mọ́mì ẹ bá mi sọ fún àwọn tó wò wá lé ìdí tó fi yẹ kí àwọn náà kí wọ́n bá iléeṣẹ́ Mubab Nigeria dòwò pọ̀.
Ó ṣe omidan ìdí tí ó ṣe yẹ kí gbogbo àwọn alábàárà àti alábàátà kan bá iléeṣẹ́ Mubab dòwò pọ̀ ní wípé iléeṣẹ́ alálùbáríkà ni ọjà wọn ò wọ́n wó ó dẹ̀ wà nínú àwọn ọjà tó yẹ wípé there's no àkósójúmọ́ kan kéèyàn máa lò ó nínú ilé so ìdí nìyẹn so tó bá jẹ́ ẹni tó fẹ́ lò ó ní dédé tó bá jẹ́ àwọn tó fẹ́ jẹ́ alágbàtà náà ní bákan náà ni.
ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ mọ́ mi wá.
Àṣòríra kárí gbogbo wa.
ẹ ṣé máa mi máa. ẹ wo òun lẹ ti ń gbọ́ látàárọ̀ ìdí pàtàkì tí ó fi yẹ kí a bá iléeṣẹ́ Mubab Nigeria dòwò pọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àjọ tó ń rí sí ojúlówó àwọn ohun èlò lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ti ṣe fẹ́ fi òǹtẹ̀lú iléeṣẹ́ yìí lónìí níbi tá a wà lónìí tí àwọn kan yóò tún máa gba àmì ẹ̀yẹ níbi tá a wà lónìí gbogbo ohun tó ń jẹ́ iléeṣẹ́ Mubab ó pé oríṣiríṣi ṣé a fẹ́ sọ nípa ọṣẹ tá a máa ń fi sírun ni eléyìí tá a fi ń fọrun ni conditioner ni shampoo ni air freshener ni hand wash ni kí ló tiẹ̀ kí lẹ tún fẹ́ tí kò sí ní iléeṣẹ́ Mubab tó sì jẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn tó ń ti iléeṣẹ́ wọn jáde ojúlówó ni tí kò bí báyìí lónìí a tún sì máa mú àwọn èèyàn jàǹkànjàǹkàn ẹni bí ẹni wá sí ojú ìwòran yìí tí wọ́n wà bí báyìí lónìí láti wá bá iléeṣẹ́ Mubab Nigeria Limited láti bá wọn dúpẹ́ wípé ẹ̀yin náà ó gba certificate pé ẹ ti lè import and export tá a bá ń sọ nípa àwọn tó ń ti iléeṣẹ́ Mubab jáde.
Okay, he's the senior brother to Alhaji Muideen Babalola. I have Alhaji Olagunju here. All right, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
All right, it's so nice to have you on the red carpet.
It's my pleasure being here.
And we celebrate with you. We know that it is a joint celebration. Everyone is happy. Everyone is excited to be here. Sir, I'd like to ask, how do you feel about the certification that Mubab is getting today?
I'm glad you said everybody is happy here, but I'm the most happiest. You know why?
Why, sir?
I'm a pharmacist.
Okay.
And I did cosmetology in my final year as my project.
Wow, that's years back.
I am expected to start things like this, but I thank God I'm still alive. Muideen is doing it. And I feel so happy that I have somebody who is pursuing something of my own ambition and is doing it fine. Cosmetology is very, very advanced. And he has gone right to the top of it. So it gives me pleasure to be here today.
Oh, it's so nice to hear you say that, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And before you go, what would you like to say to young people out there who are still probably trying to start up a business, trying to make a living, or trying to start something like this? What advice can you give them, sir?
You see, starting a business this period of time is not easy. I want to tell you that the government is trying, but they need to try more. You can't start a business with 100,000 now. When I started my business, I started with 1,500 naira. And I went and came back and started the business. Now the young ones should see they have to work harder than people like us. They do not know it. And this is why some of them waste their time. They should realize that the future is for them and start working right from the word go. Don't wait until you're out of the university. Right from the university, you should start thinking of, what am I going to do? Am I going to be self-employed? Am I going to work for government? But the most important thing any young chap should have in mind now is that I want to work for myself and establish. I wish everybody the best of luck.
Thank you so much, Daddy, for sharing that small advice with us. Thank you so much. And I'm sure that a lot of us will go with it and use it to do something tangible. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I pray you do.
The CEO of Mubad Nigeria Limited, we want to say a very big thank you for creating this joyful occasion. We appreciate your presence, your time, and the energy in making this occasion a success. May Allah bless you. And we pray for greater successes ahead. We wish the company more grace and long life and prosperity to each and every one of us. Thank you very much.